Hi, this is Jeanine from Egg Harbor Library, and I'm here to tell you about our library of things. So just like the title, we have things for checkout, things that you need that you might not bring on vacation or you want to try out before buying. Snowshoes, we have yoga mats, we have a lot of kitchen items, AV items. So today I'm just going to show you how to use the juicer. And juicer is a great thing to check out just to see if you want to purchase one. So I'm going to show you, you would check this out at the library and you get it for a couple of weeks. And it has a barcode on it. It has directions. I would read the directions and look at all the safety requirements before using it. The last person who used it is supposed to wash it. So hopefully it is clean. If it was me, I'd probably give it a good wash again. So I'm going to be showing you how to take it apart and put it back together. Right now it's all put together because I washed it, and I will be making juice for you. So now I'm ready to juice. Turning it on. Okay, we're now done. I even, you know what I do? I like to keep a extra container in case we overflow. So it's all there. I put oranges in, lemons, lime, ginger, and I was going to put honey in it and I forgot. Well, we'll have to see how it tastes. After you're done with juicing, it's time to clean up. What we have here is what's all left over. It makes great compost. So that I have to take off and get rid of, and then take the whole thing apart and wash it with hot soapy water. So the first thing I'm going to take this apart. All of this can go in here and compost or throw away. Take this apart. And take off these two. Now it's time to wash. Well, I have washed up our juicer, and it was pretty dirty, so I really had to use this brush that came with it. It has a little tip here that you need to get stuff out of, and the brush really came in handy. So now it's time to put it together. Make sure you use the booklet. It'll help you, even looking at the front picture. So I know that if I'm putting it together, this has to be the front because this is where the juice comes out. So so that's easy. And then you put this in the middle and it'll go in like that. Now you know this part has to end up in the back. So I'm just now going to twist it on. There you go. And now you have to lock it in place. And I'm just flipping this up right now, putting it down here, and flipping it down. And this goes in the back or front, whatever you want to call it. And it's all put together, ready to go back. Now when you bring it back to the library, make sure you send it back with whatever it came with. So this one came with this yellow bin here, and I'm just going to put everything back in the bin and return it to the library that I checked it out at, which is Egg Harbor Library. Thanks for watching.